Hi there and welcome back. For this video, we will be making a classic Filipino dish that is loved by many. And this is none other than Pancit Bihon. This flavorful noodle dish is not only delicious but also easy to prepare. So, let's not waste time and do the cooking. In a wok, add some oil, sauté the garlic, onion, and the sliced pork. Don't worry, I'll put all the ingredients in the description box for your reference. I am using pork here, but you can use chicken instead of pork, no problem. Now let's add salt and pepper to taste. Time to add the veggies. Add your julienne cut carrots and your beans. You can also add shrimps if you want. This is optional though, but I just want to add spring onion in most of my recipes. That's how much I love spring onions. Once the meat is cooked, you can now set aside the veggies and meat for now because we'll proceed to the next step, which is cooking the noodles. In the same wok, add 4 cups of water, chicken broth cube, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and give it a good mix. Cover the wok for a few minutes until it boils. Now at this point, you can have some taste test and add some salt and pepper when it's needed. Add your 250 grams of Bihon noodles and let the noodles absorb the water. Once it's absorbed, it will look like this. And you can add some liquid seasoning or just simply soy sauce. I'm using Knorr liquid seasoning for this. You can now add your meat and mixed veggies and mix it all together with the noodles. That's it. Now our pancit bihon is now ready to be served and savored. That's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this easy step-by-step procedure on how to make pancit bihon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or follow for more delicious, easy recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking! Buyers!